Over the last few decades, the average life expectancy has increased, causing the population over 60 years of age to increase. Some even make it to 80 years old, and while they may seem physically healthy, almost all of them suffer from memory problems. Many, unfortunately, not only forget things of the past, but also more recent details, such as what they ate for lunch. But I bet that happens to you too, doesn't it? Many people have trouble thinking fast and remembering facts. This mental wear and tear is natural, although it can be avoided. This means that the state of your brain isn't necessarily compatible with your official age. Did you know that some problems can make you seem years older? If a young person takes the necessary precautions to preserve his memory, he will most likely have a healthy brain when he gets old. The first step is to watch what you eat and avoid excessive drinking and drug use, such as marijuana. Problems such as schizophrenia, bipolarity, and ADHD, attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity, cause your brain to age prematurely. Scientists advise you to start treating these conditions as soon as possible. Another easy thing to do is play interactive games such as board games, puzzles, or memory games. Reading, writing, and listening to classical music will also help you exercise your brain. Just like your body, your brain also needs to exercise in order to improve. How is your memory? Are you having trouble concentrating? Maybe your brain needs a little more energy and nutrition. In today's video, we're going to show you a natural recipe to help your brain stay active. It's rich in nutrients and can act directly on cognitive health, which is great. This recipe calls for beer yeast and oats. Yeast has excellent levels of B-complex vitamins. All these vitamins together play an important role in our cellular metabolism, producing energy and exercising our brain. Oats are a great brain food, and they can be consumed however you want. They contain many proteins, amino acids, unsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals. And not only do they keep your brain healthy, they're also good for your heart. Here are the ingredients. 1/2 of a banana, 2 apples. If not organic, remove the peel. 4 tablespoons of oats, 1 cup of vegetable milk, coconut, rice, sesame, sunflower, or almonds, 1 tablespoon of brewer's yeast. Instructions: wash the apples, peel the banana, and cut all the fruit into slices. Once this is done, blend all of the ingredients together until you have an even mixture. If you think the drink is too thick, add more vegetable milk or water. Drink this smoothie every day on an empty stomach. So, what did you think of the recipe? If you have already made this recipe, tell us about it in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.